Are you tired of waking up to the same alarm, rushing through traffic and building someone else's dream instead of your own? What if you could build a recurring income stream from home without selling a thing? Stay with me, because in this video I'm going to show you exactly how I did it and how you can too. Hi, I'm Lynette Barnard. I'm from Vanderbijlpark, South Africa, and I help entrepreneurs, business owners and professionals to create recurring income without selling a thing, so that they can live a debt-free, stress-free life and can start working on their bucket lists. For years, I felt stuck in the same cycle. Work hard, get paid, and start over again next month. Sound familiar? But everything changed when I discovered the smart digital system that lets everyday people, just like you and me, build recurring income from home without selling or handling any products. Let's pause for a second and talk about what recurring income really means. It's income that comes in every month, whether you're working or not. It's not a job. It's not a side hustle that depends on hours of effort. It's a system that works for you even while you sleep, travel, or spend time with your family. And here's the best part. You don't need to be tax savvy. You don't need a massive following, and you don't need to sell to your friends. I found the system through a platform called DealPoint, a registered financial service provider right here in South Africa. It connects everyday consumers with major financial products from trusted providers like Santam, Sanlam, Old Mutual, Bright, etc. And instead of paying for expensive advertising, they pay us, their own clients, and they call us wealth engineers, and they pay us for simply sharing the information about the system. You don't earn by selling. You earn by building a distribution channel, by connecting consumers to the information. And you get paid a recurring lead fee per product, not per person. And we are paid every single month. It's completely online and totally transparent, running for 9 years. Maybe you're a busy parent. Maybe you're nearing retirement and worried about your future. Or maybe you're just tired of having more money than money. If you're looking for a simple, reliable way to make money from home, this is for you. It works whether you're 25 or 65, and you can build it in your spare time on your phone. Let me introduce you to Jennifer Maya, a real wealth engineer who shared this inspiring message. Uplift yourself. The system gave me hope when I had none. You can watch her story in the link I've included below. And I'm not sharing a theory here. I've used this exact blueprint to go from stress to secure to soaring. Today, I earn recurring income every month, and I no longer trade time for money. So here's what I want you to do right now. Click the link below this video and get my free guide, Escape the 9-to-5 Trap, my online business blueprint. It's the exact steps I do, step by step, I use to start my journey, and I want you to have it for free. Don't let another year pass wondering what if. You deserve freedom. You deserve options, and you can start today with the right system and the right support. Thank you for watching. I'm cheering you on every step of the way. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now.